Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is July the 7th, 2018, and we're down here in the pepper patch. And we came down to get some peppers to have with our supper tonight. We just harvested some fresh potatoes and onions, so we came down to get some peppers. Now this one here is a Kaleidoscope blend pepper. I wanted to show it to you here. Can't quite see everything, but this is a white pepper here, and these really have a really good flavor to them here. I wanted to give you a quick update on how the peppers are here. Here's another bell here. Can't see it from the sun. You find one here that has these here, the hot banana peppers here. So these here are the hot banana peppers here, and these are banana peppers. They seem to be prolific givers. They give a lot, it seems like. Here's another, I believe these are cayenne peppers here. Now these will turn a bright red when these are hot. And we've had a whole lot of rain this year, and it's kind of affecting some of our other plants from all the rain. But here's some of our bells. We have some bigger bells than this. So I'm going to be harvesting some of these. I'll show you that in a moment here. So I have my pruners here, which are still partially locked. There we go. Unlocked there. And I'm going to be cutting. These are actually kind of growing upside down. So I'm just going to be coming down to the stem down here. And I'm going to cut right there. Pick it up here. Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. There we go. And that's one of the white Kaleidoscope peppers. This is a new mix for me this year that I tried. I'm not sure if these will get bigger than this because it's a new mix, so I'm still learning how this one here grows. So I'm going to continue harvesting here, and I'll show you them what we got. Okay, so this is what we got here. This will be for supper and for eating in our salads. And what I actually did is any pepper that was going to be touching the ground or close to touching the ground, I took it off so that it didn't rot or anything like that from the ground. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.